Today I am gonna show you how to install this mod weapons on the back created by Jedi Josh 920 in 2015. After reading the descriptions and requirements of the mod, we are free to download and install. For the requirements, we are going to need ScriptHookV and ScriptHookV.net. Here are my download ready to install, and one important thing, remember to download ScriptHookV.net on the original website because you only need version to .10.1, and I will provide the link on the video description. On this version of ScriptHookV.net, we only have 3 files to drag inside the game directory. Let's do the same for ScriptHookV. I had the other version of ScriptHookV.net install, so I have to delete it to install the actual version for the mod to work properly.
But we can't get a job that pays us enough. I'm about to pop off. Fuck you, you're lost. We all know that we never really want a boss. So I'ma do what I want to. Something I can't undo. Yeah, I'ma do what I want to. Something I can't undo. I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy. Don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place.
Now we need to install the mod. Remember that it will go inside the scripts folder, and don't forget to create one if you don't have it. We are done installing weapons on the back mod. Remember, the mod has been created in 2015 and no actual update because there are a few weapons that might not work on the back. Enjoy!
Shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy. Don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy. Don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? Sometimes you need to let loose, grab juice, get goose, tattoos, taboos, get screwed. Loosen up, buttercup, all those hate comments will never make you feel enough. We're all adequate graduates, heart full of calluses, but we know calculus. Damn, ain't that fabulous? Can't wait to apply all those mathematicus. But we can't get a job that pays us enough. I'm about to pop off. Fuck you, you're lost. We all know that we never really want a boss. So I'ma